Good day everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we have here the drain pump. Okay, replacement of the drain pump. So why I'm changing the drain pump? Because it has an error of OE. So the OE, if you Google it, it says that the drain pump. So I checked the supply of the drain pump during drain cycle, and there is a voltage present, or the current is available or present. So I did check the coil. The coil was open, or the coil is open. That's why I decided to change the pump. So if the current is available, or the voltage available, and you check this coil is open, that means there's a problem with the pump. And basically after 5 years or 4 years, the pump impeller is getting stuck due to multiple reasons. Okay, so let us start opening, or let me show you how to open the pump, replacing the pump using our screwdriver, flat screwdriver. This is for the LG model, but mostly similar. Any other model has the same design. So first thing we need to do, open the front cover by clicking this and then flip it out. Okay, next is we need to remove these screws here. There are 4 screws, 1 2 3 4. After removing the 4 screws, we need to tilt the washing machine on to the front side, so we can access the back of the washing machine. So as you see, now it pulls out. There it is. We will going to open also the back cover. Just only remove the top screw, and it will slide out. Okay. Now we need to flip the washing machine to that side, so we can able to open it like this. Since we lay the washing machine on the front side, we now have the access for the drain motor. Okay, so this you can interchange, not a problem, since it is AC voltage. Disconnect. Again, to make sure that it is safe, no power, you have to disconnect the power plug. Okay, so after disconnecting the connectors, you can start now removing this. Using a plier, you can open the clamp. Like this, as well as the other side. So once the clamp are open, you can now remove the pump from the hose. With your flat screwdriver, you can just simply push it out. Yes, there is water. Okay, so now we have the old pump. We will cross check whether the old pump and the new pump is the same. So what are the things you need to check, to cross check? You have to cross check these 4 screws, the mounting, the front mounting. Checking like this, so they are the same. Okay, now you need to check the side hose. Diameter same, length is also same. And then for the inlet, also same. And then for the plug, for the connector. Okay, so they are the same. Okay, so normally it depends in your country or on your country whether you are using 50 Hertz or 60 Hertz. But if you are using 60 Hertz, make sure to purchase or to buy a replacement pump with 60 Hertz. Why? If you use 50 Hertz to 60 Hertz, this pump will heat up easily and burn. So you get damaged easily. So make sure to purchase a pump which is 220, 240 if it's on your country, 50 Hertz by 50 Hertz. If it is 60 Hertz by 60 Hertz. Okay, so 220, 240, 50 Hertz, 0.25 amp, 40 watt. So this coil consumes 40 watt electricity. Okay, so this is how easy to remove the pump motor. And I hope you like this video. So let's us fix it back. So first, install this one here. By the way, those who are not yet a subscriber, because some of my videos has 100,000 views, but they are not all subscribed. So please do subscribe. Here, make sure that we are that the hose is properly aligned on the mounting screw, this position, so you will not twist or turn or block the flow of drain water. After inserting this, need to fix back the clamp. Using the plier, you can clip this and then connect the hose. So you will find here that this hose must be properly inserted. Otherwise, if you insert it just a little from the mouth of the inlet pipe, it will disengage after some time as it is wibbling. Okay, so next we will connect this like this, and then with the plier and then connect back the screws from the top. Connect the connector back like this, and put all the screws here. So this is how easy it is to change the drain pump. So that you don't need to call a technician or a repairman just to do this work. By simply watching my video, you can able to learn how to practically do this safely. With the simple tools, you can change it. Again, why I changed this pump? It is because there is an error of OE error, and if you Google it, OE error, it is for the drain pump. I mean, the water is not draining out. I checked the current here. The current is flowing. There is a voltage, and check the coil. There is no more continuity, no resistance from the coil. That means the coil is open. Why? Maybe before the water was there was a leak from the drum. That's why it caused this to get damaged. Okay, so if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and let me complete this for you so that you can able to see. how it looks like after completing the work. Okay, so I decided to complete it. I put back the cover. Then connect the screws. Sorry for the noise. My bird, my pet's a little bit noisy. Okay, so we fix back the screw. And we will gonna position again this washing machine upward. So this you have to lift up and then position all the screws. Using my leg, I am supporting the washing machine on this position, so I can able to access this and push it out, so I can insert the screws. See, we need to tighten 4 of them. Once it is securely tight, make sure that this is well tight. Otherwise, when you start using the washing machine, the water will get drain out. Okay. So next is we need to place the cover. You can message me if you have any question how to, if you have any doubt how to repair it. If I am available, I can able to reply back to you and guide you. Okay, so there it is. The washing machine is done. The pump motor was replaced, drain pump, and washing machine is back in operation. The only cost is $7 to repair your washing machine. Okay, so if you like this video, please like and subscribe and share, so that we'll teach the next generation how to fix their own washing machine. Okay, thank you and God bless everyone. Bye for now.